Hello there! Welcome to our brand new video. Today we're gonna talk about some of the best gaming PCs that performs well and does not cost you a lot of money. You'll find a lot of budget gaming PC, but not all of them are well-rounded as they have to go through cost-cutting in various components. So, we have picked up these PCs that will deliver a constant gaming performance at a lower expense. All of them are upgradable in case you want to upgrade a certain component. So, let's begin.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
We have chosen the HP Pavilion gaming desktop as our number 5 pick. This budget-friendly PC is a perfect example of how much gaming PCs have evolved. You get a sleek-looking case that reflects a gaming vibe and has all the rooms for housing essential components inside. Also, there is room to expand and upgrade for the future. Beneath its compact and sleek exterior, you'll find all the performance you need to play with confidence. You'll get the powerful AMD Ryzen 5 3500 processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics with 4GB of built-in storage to support the CPU. Along with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of NVMe M.2 SSD storage, you'll get all the port support, having 5 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB Type-C port, 4 USB 2.0, 1 SD card slot, 1 Ethernet port, and 1 3.5mm headphone jack port. With all new NVIDIA Turing architecture, you'll enjoy playing demanding title games. Talking about gaming, this PC fulfills recommended system requirements of games like Fortnite, League of Legends, PUBG, etc. The HP Pavilion gaming PC serves all gaming requirements in a compact form factor at a very attractive price point, making it a great choice for you. Number 4 on our list is the SkyTech Blaze II gaming PC. The name itself has a gaming vibe. It is built for entry to mid-level gamers who don't play graphically high-demanding games. This PC looks very attractive from the outside as the front part of the case has dual circular-shaped RGB lighting, which gives an ultimate gaming vibe. The left side of the case has a glass-built panel through which you can see all the components illuminated in different RGB colors. Under the hood, the Blaze II comes with AMD Ryzen 3 3100 CPU and NVIDIA GeForce 1650 along with 4GB memory. You'll be able to play games like Valorant, Fortnite, and COD Warzone at 1080 pixels, 60 frames per second without any lagging issues. It comes with 8GB RAM and 500GB super-fast SSD storage to power the whole system. For thermal management, it has a 3 120mm ring RGB fans, which ensures a sustained and longer gaming session. In terms of ports, you'll get 1 HDMI, 1 DVD-D, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 and 1 headphone jack. You'll also get a free RGB keyboard and a mouse in this package. Overall, the Blaze II from SkyTech is a great gaming PC at a modest budget, so you will get a lot more gaming power for a lower price. Next up is another PC from SkyTech, which is SkyTech Shadow 3 gaming PC. The moment you see this PC, you'll know it's designed for gamers. If your budget is tight and you want to buy an entry-level gaming PC, then this is an interesting option for you. It has 16-color RGB lighting all along the case and a glass window at one side, so you can see the aesthetic gaming looks inside the casing. Equipped with a powerful Intel Core i5-10400F coupled with NVIDIA GeForce 1660 Super Edition, This PC will fly during gaming sessions. Moreover, it has a solid 16GB RAM and 512GB of fast SSD storage. This machine features completely upgradable components and excellent cooling capability with 4 fans to move out massive amounts of air so that you can have longer gaming sessions with no noticeable thermal throttle or dropped performance. SkyTech Shadow 3.0 is a great choice for mid-range performance and first-time PC gamers. You can play AAA title games at 1080 pixels and 60 frames per second. Some of the games also support more than 100 FPS such as Fortnite Chapter 2, Valorant, etc. You'll be able to play high-demanding games smoothly with medium graphic settings. You don't have to worry about USB ports as it includes multiple 2.0, 3.0 and 3.2 Gen 1 ports. All other accessory ports are also included. The SkyTech Shadow 3.0 offers great value for money in the gaming PC category. So, if you're an entry-level gamer, you should definitely check this out. Next up, we have the HP OMEN 25L gaming desktop. It is absolutely a beast in terms of playing high-demanding games on a compact form factor and at a low cost. Besides the internal specs, the desktop has got the looks and can back it up, and it is VR ready. The case looks unique with the glowing OMEN logo in front, which makes it different from other traditional RGB lid cases. With all the relatively powerful hardware components, you still have room for upgrading them anytime. The OMEN 25L comes with the latest 10th generation Intel Core i7-10700 processor, that NVIDIA GeForce 1650 Super with built-in 4GB memory as a GPU. Bundled with a solid 16GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB of PCIe SSD, this machine flies while playing games like Battlefield 5, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Assassin's Creed Odyssey in constant 1080 pixels 60+ FPS. The cherry on top of all of this is this PC is VR ready and you can play VR games from day one. It has all the necessary USB and other ports for connectivity, including 2 super fast USB 3.2 Type-A, 4 USB 3.1 Type-A, a USB Type-C, headphone, microphone, 1 standard HDMI and an Ethernet port. So if you're someone who want to have a budget gaming PC with future upgrades in mind, you should definitely check out the HP OMEN 25L. Our pick for the best budget gaming PC is the Dell G5 5090. This budget desktop offers both constant performances while gaming and very attractive gaming look from the outside. The case is very small in height and depth so that you can put it on your desk. It is surprisingly well designed for gamers. The aesthetic of this desktop is very elegant and gives your setup a premium look. The front panel has zigzag-shaped stripes with a diagonal blue LED light. It is powered by Intel's 10th generation Intel Core i5-10400F processor. With powerful NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6GB GDDR6 graphics, you can game at 1080 pixel resolution and higher frame rates. The G5 has 8GB of DDR4 RAM, which will help games and apps load faster, and a 256GB of NVMe M.2 SSD plus 1TB SATA SSD to store your apps and data. It has gigabit Ethernet support that will help gamers stream their game on social media without any network issues. Common AAA titled games like Forza Horizon 5, Far Cry 6, Call of Duty are easily playable under medium to high graphic settings without any lagging issue. There are enough ports for the external hardware connectivity, so you are not missing anything within your budget. The Dell G5 is a powerful gaming desktop in a simpler, small form factor that delivers constant performance. So, if you want a compact desktop that also delivers solid performance, the G5 is surely the right choice for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Insight.